In today's day and age, people spend many hours traveling in their vehicles, so more people are invested in better sound systems in order to be more comfortable, because finding satisfaction in your entertainment system is just as crucial to enjoying your ride as much as possible. We all understand that the sound quality of your standard issue 6x9 speakers is never good enough, so purchasing high quality 6x9 speakers for your car will significantly increase your audio experience and take your audio system to another level. In today's video, we will show you the best 6x9 speakers on the market. Head down to the description below for more information and pricing. Without further delay, let's get started. If you're hunting for speakers that look good and will make your music sound deep, clear, and smooth with dominant bass, then you're looking at the best product. Hear every detail that you've been missing in your car's sound system, because the Infinity REF 9623iX grants outstanding clarity. This is thanks to an edge-driven textile tweeter and super tweeter that bring out all the details in your tune without sounding harsh. They produce accurate lows and improve music production quality significantly with the aid of strong high-roll rubber surrounding. These speakers have a high power handling capability that allows them to enhance audio quality with or without an amplifier. These 3-ohm speakers combine with the speaker wire in your vehicle, so your car stereo will see 4 ohms, so you'll get a little more volume out of your system. You can power these speakers with up to 125 watts of RMS power, and they'll work well with an external amplifier, but they're also a good match for factory radio or aftermarket stereos. After a set of tests, we strongly believe that the Infinity 9623iX is a decent choice. It's efficient and can certainly hold its own against higher priced models. It lags a bit with the low frequencies, but is still hard to complain when valued so reasonably. If you need power, you can do this by complementing the speakers with an amplifier or head unit. JL Audio's C2 speakers produce a great performance at a great price. The C2 690TX is a 3-way 6x9 speaker, so naturally, they're recognized for their great coverage and a full range of sound. But what's great about all JL speakers is that they've created a foundation of features and technology from past successful speakers, and the C2 690TX is no different to that fact. These speakers bring precision sound to your wheels. They'll reproduce detailed elements of your music like delicate woodwinds or soprano vocals, then switch on a dime to give the deep thrum of a bass or the rumble of some drums. It features 6x9-inch woofers with mineral-filled polypropylene cones, extended excursion capabilities, and stamped steel frames. The woofer design does great because of JL Audio's vast woofer design experience and advanced modeling systems. Its mid-range driver is ferrofluid cooled with 2-inch mylar cone diaphragm to smoothly bridge the gap between the woofer and the dome tweeter. The tweeters are mounted next to the mid-range driver and built with 0.75-inch silk dome diaphragms that deliver smooth, extended responses on and off axis. Additionally, the tweeter's small size minimizes tweeter protrusion, allowing C2 coaxials to fit behind most factory speaker grills. Alpine updated their R-Series 6x9 speakers for 2019, enhancing the capability to really pump the sound. The R-Series has always been appreciated for its ability to create tons of deep bass without distortion. The newest release of the R-Series continues that legacy. This speaker's smaller size makes them ideal for tight installations and uses matching speaker grills that are shallower. They're tuned with an emphasis on the high and low end frequencies, delivering power while naturally producing bright, active sound. It uses an increased voice coil diameter from 30 to 35 millimeters, while the neodymium magnet diameter is enlarged, resulting in more potent motor structure with more powerful bass output. The high amplitude multi-roll surround allows a maximum linear cone excursion for high SPL, while maintaining full control over the diaphragm at any excursion stage for high sound clarity. Its tweeters feature high-res audio capabilities with a frequency response of higher than 40 kHz. Both component and coaxial models feature a ring tweeter that swivels to improve off-axis response in less than ideal locations, and you can aim it by hand for the best imaging and staging at your listening position. Polk's DB series speakers are amongst the most popular 6x9 car speakers on our list. What we love so much about the DB692 is its versatility. They're made with a unique blend of materials that are excellent for outdoors and in normal wheels as well. A polypropylene UV-tolerant cone makes it exceptional for use in areas that have tons of sunlight, and with waterproof inner and outer surrounds, they're marine certified and water resistant, making them an optimal option if you have a boat or other power sport vehicles. Two silk dome tweeters produce smooth highs with accuracy to give you a lively soundstage, while a built-in crossover keeps the highs and lows flowing to the precise drivers. With power handling up to 150 watts RMS, you'll do fine driving this system with an aftermarket receiver, but these speakers will love life if you power them up with a nice amp. Each speaker in the DB Plus series stars a shallow tweeter design to guarantee that your factory speaker grill reinstalls with ease for a flush, seamless look. You can also rediscover the joy of driving to your preferred music with speaker drivers wired to your current head unit. French company Focal is recognized for their great speakers, but great speakers don't come cheap. Their Auditor series is at the lower end of their range and therefore more affordable. Importantly though, these speakers still include the unique Focal inverted dome tweeter. This guarantees that you hear more detail while at the same time enjoying richer, deeper bass notes. These speakers are built to last, and a polypropylene woofer cone and butyl rubber surround guarantee that these speakers will live a long life in your car doors, enduring all kinds of environmental abuse while producing robust sound. It comes with an extra large voice coil and a powerful magnet so they can handle an honest 60 watts RMS. Besides this, it's equipped with a handsome mesh grille in case you're planning on custom installation.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.